Problems will be on tomorrow's quiz, Monday's quiz, anyways. You distribute first, you get 6m plus 4. Okay, additive inverse. You always start on the side with the most numbers, and you always do parentheses first, plus a negative 9m. Combine these two because they both have the variable m. The coefficient does. You get negative 3m plus the 4 that's still there. And then you bring down what's left on this side. You get negative 3m plus 4. I make the students go further. Add the 3m, add the 3m, and then that's 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus that 4 is 4. This is called infinite solution. At this time, it's important for the kids to do this right now, to make 0 here, even then, because they have a hard time later. It's good practice, even though it's redundant, and sometimes it's obvious. Now, with this problem here, I have the student do, on their calculator, 1 divided by 5 times 10. They literally put that in 2 divided by 5 times 10 equals, then the answer is 4. So I have them do that. 4x plus the same thing with this one. I have them put 2 divided by 5 times 5. The answer is 2 plus 2. Then additive inverse is very important for kids to do additive inverse. Plus a negative 2x at this age anyways. So we get 4 plus a negative 2. We get 2x plus 2 equals to 20. Minus 2 minus 2. 2x equals to 18. Divided by 2 divided by 2. X equals to 9. This is called one solution. Okay, one of these problem-solving equations will be on tomorrow's test, and making it infinite or no solution will be on there too. Okay, and I want the other part that will be on the test that we did in class today was this type of problem with shapes. I want to go over so that those of you who want to practice some more for tomorrow's test can. So you'll have something like this where it says 270 counterclockwise or clockwise. You want to remember to switch the numbers. Okay? You want to first count 0, 90, 180, 270. So 270, all that picture of that triangle will go on here. Only there on that quadrant. That's quadrant 2. Okay, you first put in the number t, which is 4, 6. H is 4, 4. M is 1, 4. We did this in class today, but at least for one of my class. Okay, and then you go, okay, M prime then, we switch the numbers, the rule for 270 and 90 degrees, the numbers switch. So let's switch it, 1, 4 to 4, 1. H prime is 4, 4. And then T prime is switch the number to 6, 4. And you go here and notice that 4, 1 is really negative 4, 1. So put in that negative. Notice I went in and put that negative in later. And that's M prime. And then H is negative 4, 4. So H prime there, and I make sure to go back and put a negative there. T is negative 6. 4, which is right here. That's T prime. And you connect, that's negative 6. Make sure you put a negative there. And you get a triangle like that. Okay? And it's the exact same triangle as the other one, just rotated 270 degrees. The other one is clockwise. Now also they need to know counterclockwise, which way to go. And we practice that a lot in class. So let's look at here. 90 degrees clockwise. Clockwise, the number switch. Okay, so we switch the number. We start out with the ordered pair, which means switch the number, switch the ordered pair around. That's the correct vocabulary words. Negative 3, 1. L is negative 3, 5. Negative 5, 1. Okay, and then you go here, you do, okay, let's switch the numbers around first. You normally do alphabetical order, that's what L, K, M, L, J, K, so L comes first. Oops, sorry. L prime, K prime, M prime, based on the numbers, letters from here. Okay, so L prime is negative 3. You switch the numbers, switch the ordered pair. Ignore the negatives. 5, 3, because it's 90 degrees. K is 1, 3, K, M prime is 1, 5. Okay, 90 degrees clockwise is in this quadrant. So all the answer goes here. Put in the numbers. 5, 3, L prime. 1, 3, K prime, 1, 5, M prime. Okay, there you go. Now that's what's going to be on the test, and we finished this worksheet all in class today, so if you want to print out another one and have your child practice, that would be great. Okay, well, the homework I gave was easier. Here, what's the rule for 90? The number switch, that means the coordinate switch is the correct definition. Stays the same, the coordinate stays the same. Here, the coordinate switch, or the ordered pair switch. Okay, so this says 270 counterclockwise, so here's 0. Counter goes from 9 to 6 o'clock, so 12 to 9, 9 to 6 is 90 degrees, 180, and 270. So 270, the dot now moves to here. So I want you to put the ordered pair there, negative 3, 4, we switch it, right? So it becomes 4, 3 in this quadrant, 4, 3, A prime. Okay? 90 degrees counterclockwise. Oh, counter, this is 0. Wherever the shape is starts at 0. Counter is going from 6 to 3 o'clock. 6 to 3 going the opposite direction. So 0, 90 is here. So all the new dot will be in this quadrant. Okay? And the number switch. So this is 3, negative, a positive 3, and negative 2, it switched to 3, 2 in this quadrant for T prime. So T prime is 3, 2 right there. It's T prime. Okay? And that's counterclockwise. The other one I showed you clockwise. That's how we do, we literally put a clock in here. 12, 3, 6, 9. And this is 180 degrees clockwise. This is 0. So we're going clockwise, so we're going to go 6 to 9 o'clock, 9 to 12 o'clock. So 0, 90, each block is 90. 180, 270, 360, or back to 0. So 180, all the answer will be here. And the number stays the same, so this is 1, negative 2. This is also 1, 2, but this is really negative 1 right here, and 2. So that is H prime. Okay? Again, clockwise, we put a clock, 12, 3, 6, 9, 0 to 3 to 12, that's 0 degrees, that's 90 degrees, 6 to 3 to 6 is 90 degrees. So your answer will be here. And the number switch for 90 degrees. So this is 4, 4. Well, it stays 4. So n prime is still 4, 4. But really that's a negative 4 here. So that changed to negative 4. Okay, that's about it. Most students should be able to do this on their own. So I'm going to leave the rest. The shorter I record, the